Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be start a new topic that is mensuration. Yes, can anyone tell me what is mensuration in a rough wording? Yes, Sarim, what is mensuration?
So it's like the calculations of the parameters of the shapes and the volumes and areas.
Okay. Yes, Mozam,
Yes, sir.
what is mensuration?
The calculation of area or volume of geometric shapes.
Guys. Okay. So mensuration is simple, is all about the measurement of geometrical figures. Obviously, in which you have the length, the volume, the surface area. All right. So all of these steps are going to be included. Okay. We are just going to be go for the very first shape, and that is circle. This is a circle, right? Yes, Rabia, Ariba, sorry. What is the name of this side? Yes, Ariba. It is the center of a circle. What is the name of this side?
The radius.
That is the radius of a circle. So that the line that start from center to the circumference means the distance from center to the circumference. It is known as the radius of a circle. Yes, Mustafa. Can you please tell me about this line? What is the name of this one?
The diameter.
Yeah. A line that starts from the circumference and ended at circumference, but it is passes from the center. It is known as the diameter. Yes, Muslim. What is the relation between the diameter and the radius? There is any relation between diameter and radius?
So radius is the half of diameter.
Yes, the radius is the half of diameter, or in other words, the diameter is the two times of radius, or the half of diameter. Yes, this outer line, this black line, the circular length. Yes, sorry, it is known as
Their circumference.
it is circumference of a circle, and that is equal to
So 2 pi r.
2 pi r. And the last thing, the area of a circle is the portion that is going to take a whole circle, that is known as, that is equal to, yes everyone, area of a circle is going to be, means this whole area is equal to,
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
that is equal to pi r squared. So these are the very basic things about circle. There are some more as well. Let's see how to draw a circle. These are the things basically that each every student is going to be maximum is going to be taught. What is circumference, what is diameter, radius, area of a circle, formulas, all of these. Okay. Now let's we have a circle and a line that is passes from the circumference to circumference, but it does not passes from the center. Yes, Ariba, what is the name of this one? What it is? A line that is passes from circumference to circumference, but it is not going to pass from a circle.
It's a segment.
This portion, this complete portion is known as segment. This complete portion is known as segment. But I'm going to be asking about this line. Anyone?
Sir, a chord.
Chord.
Yeah. It is the chord of a circle. It is the chord of a circle. Obviously, when you are going to be draw a chord, the circle is going to be divided into two parts. So each part is known as segment. It is a smaller part. So smaller part is known as minor segment. And look at here. Here you are going to get a bigger part. So the bigger part is known as major segment. Yes, any question up to here? A line that starts from circumference to circumference but not passes from the center, that line is known as chord. And obviously, when you are going to be draw a chord, it is going to be divide a circle into two parts. So each part is known as segment, and the smaller portion is known as the minor segment, and bigger portion is known as a major segment. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
All right. Let's say have to make a circle, and I'm just going to be draw any two radius. I'm just going to be draw any two radius. Let's say I have to draw a radius, this one, and radius here. So obviously, when I'm going to be draw two radius in a circle, they are always making some angle. Let's say this is the angle. Yes, can anyone tell me what is the name of this portion?
An arc.
The portion. I have highlighted it. What is the name of this portion? Yes, anyone? If I'm just going to draw it here, I'm talking about this one.
Sir, a quarter?
Sorry?
A quarter, sir?
No. Quarter is just if it is going to be divided the fourth part. It is not a fourth part. It is known as sector. It is known as the sector of a circle. What it is? It just looks like a cone shape. It is a sector. Obviously, it is a smaller sector. So we have to say that it is minor sector. On the other hand, look at here. Obviously, we have an angle. Let's say it is y. And we have a sector here as well. On the one hand, we have a major sector, and here we have a minor sector. So it is known as major sector. Yes, everyone, it is clear. Means if I'm just going to be draw it here in a rough shape, it is just going to be look like this. Major sector. Yes, everyone, any question? Most of the students are
No,
just
sir.
we mix up the segment and the sector. Segment is going to be made just because of chord, and it is going to be sector is going to be made between the two radius, and obviously it is known as sector angle. It is a sector angle. So these are very basic things about a circle. Okay, now let's we have to be go for some formulas about the mensuration that we need to get. First of all, let's we have to discuss about a sector. I'm just going to be take a circle. This is a circle. I'm just going to be draw two radiuses. Okay, I can draw anywhere, and it is the angle. I'm just going to be talk about only this sector. I'm just going to be talking about this highlighted sectors. Okay. Now, obviously, in a sector, we need to be find. This is a one thing is going to be missing here. Look at here. Obviously, look at here. What it is with respect to
Arc length.
yeah, it is known as the arc length of a arc length. Arc length is basically a small portion of circumference. All right. Now we are just going to be there. We have two formulas. The first one, how we can find the area of sector, that is equal to angle, the angle of a sector divided by 360 multiply by, you are talking about area, so multiply by area of a circle. And the second thing, that is arc length, angle divided by 360. Arc length is basically the part of a circumference, so multiply by 2 pi r. So we have these two formulas. The one is for the area of a sector. The second one is the arc length. B is for this one. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
All right, just a minute. I need to be up with the worksheet. Just give me 1 minute. All right. Now we have the first question. He says that the shape above is made by removing a small semicircle from a large semicircle. AM and MB is equal to 12. AM and MB is equal to 12. You have to calculate the area of a shaded part. This is the shaded one. That means we have to find the area of this part. The question was clear? Yes,
Yes.
everyone. The question is clear? Okay. Now, obviously, the shaded part, we can clearly see that we have a small, bigger semicircle, and we have a small semicircle. If we are going to find the area of a bigger semicircle and subtract the area of a smaller semicircle, we are going to get the required area. That is equal to area of large semicircle minus area of small semicircle. So, yes, what is the formula for area of circle? That is pi r square. We are talking about semicircle. So divided by semicircle means half circle. So divided by 2. So means we are going to get pi r 1 square, yeah, or L square divided by 2 minus pi r L square divided by 2. I just write L for the large semicircle, S for a small semicircle. Yes, Mozam, what is the radius of a large semicircle?
24.
Radius, not diameter. The radius is
12.
the
12.
distance from center to the circumference. That is, so this is the
12.
radius of a large semicircle, that is 12. Pi into 12 whole square divided by 2 minus. Yes, Sadim, what is the radius of a small semicircle? Radius.
Sir, 6.
We are just going to take a distance from center to the circumference. So you are going, the 12 is basically a diameter, taking a half, so that will be 6 centimeter. So that will be pi 6 square divided by 2. Yes, please use the calculator and find the value. One second, I'm going to be sure my full screen as well. First of all, I'm just going to be take pi by 2 as common. So it will be 12 square, that will be 144. 6 square will be 36. Yes, 144 minus 36, that will be equal to
108.
sorry,
Sir, 108.
108. Now please find the value. It is pi divided by 2 multiplied by 108. 169.64. 169.64. So it up to 6 centimeter square. Yes, everyone. The first question is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's see how to go for the next one. The shaded area shows a beach. A, B, A, D, and B, C are circular arc. So it is a beach A, D, and B, C, and this is a beach. OB is equal to 160 meters, and we have OD is 100 meters. Obviously, it is 100 meter as well, and the angle is going to be 95. He says that you have to calculate the area of a beach A, B, C in a square meters. Yes, can anyone tell me how we can find it?
Sir, we can calculate the area for both the triangles, the
Not
the
triangle sector.
sector, the both sectors, and we subtract the area of the smaller sector from the area of the biggest sector.
Yes. So we have to be area of larger sector minus area of a smaller sector. And what is the formula that I have to write here for sectors? That is angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So for the large sector, angle is 95 divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. Yes, Mustafa, what is the radius of the bigger sector?
Sir, the radius of the bigger sector would be 750.
160. Yeah, obviously it is the radius because it's just part of a circle. So this is the
Yes, sir.
radius, that is 160 whole square. I'm just using a formula, angle divided by 360 into pi r square for area of sector. Minus, we have angle that is same divided by 360 into pi into the radius, and the radius is 100 square. So obviously when you are going to be subtract the smaller area from a bigger area, you are just going to be get this part. Yes. Do the calculation and find the final answer. For simplification, I'm just going to be do the same steps. 95 divided by 360 pi. I'm going to be taking as a common. It will be 160 square minus 100 square. So 95 divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 160 square minus 100 square. Yes, everyone, please tell me the final answer. Yes, Sareb, Wazam, Riba, Mustafa, please find this answer on your calculator.
Sir, 12933, sir.
19.
Sir, 12933.
Yeah, 12933. Answer is 12932.88. If you have to round off, it will be 12933 meters or 0.9 meters. Yes, everyone. The first part is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Salim.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Now we have the next question, in which this is the shaded part. Okay. This is the shaded part. OPQ is a sector of a circle, radius 12 centimeter, and center O, and the angle POQ. Okay, if the angle is given POQ is given, that is 50 centimeter, means this complete angle is 50 degree. So ORS is a sector of a circle. ORS is a sector of a circle where the radius is going to be 6 centimeter, also center O, and ROS is 30 degree. We have to calculate the shaded area. So again, we have to use the same technique. we had to find the area of a bigger sector and subtract the area of a smaller sector, you are going to get the required area. That will be equal to area of a larger sector minus area of a smaller sector. Yes, what is the formula for area of sector?
So the angle over 360 into pi square.
Over 360 into pi r square. So angle is, for a larger circle, what is the angle?
So 56.
It's 50, sorry. Okay, it's look like 50. It's 50. So 50 divided by 360 into pi r square. Yes, what is the radius of a larger circle?
It's 12.
12 centimeter minus the smaller sector. Yes, Mustafa, what is the angle of a smaller sector?
Sir, 30 degrees.
30 divided by 360 into pi into
6 square, sir.
6 square. Yes, please find the value. Yes, anyone get the answer?
Sir, 53.4.
50?
3.4, sir.
Okay. Yeah, 53.4. And it is all centimeter. So centimeter square. Yes, everyone. A part square.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sariba, Mustafa. A part is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are just going to go for the second part. In the second part, he is going to be say that you have to be calculate the perimeter of a shaded area POR. Second, I will take the picture now. Okay, so PORSOQP. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter of the shaded area. So obviously, what is the shaded perimeter? Perimeter is basically the boundary length. So for this shape, this is the boundary length, right? So we are clearly see that it is 12 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter, it is 12 centimeter. The problem with this arc length, it is RS, it is the arc length for a smaller sector and the arc length with a bigger sector. So let me have to find the area. So area is going to be 12, this length, plus 6, this length, plus arc length. Arc length is angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and r is 6. Yes, sir. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
The next is rs, that is again 6. So on plus 6 plus 12. This one. After that, you have again a sector arc length. So that is angle, that is 50 degrees divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and r is in this case that is going to be 12. I'm talking about this argument. Okay. You always start for a perimeter. If you have this type of shapes, you always start from a one point and end it. You have to take a complete round trip and just back on the same point. Okay, because sometimes you are not going to do like this. You are going to be sometimes you are going to miss this side or this one or any other sides. There's a lot of chances of mistakes. Just please simplify. 12 plus 12, that is 24. 24 plus 12, that was 36. The whole number is 36. Just please find the value of the arc length. So the first one is
So 10.47 and 3.14.
37 point.
10.47, one arc length, and
10.4.
the other is 3.14.
3.14.
14.
All right, I think this is 3.14 and it is 10.47 because it is bigger and it is smaller. Can any other one please, any other student please confirm the answer?
Sir, I got the same.
You got the same one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 3.14 and 10.47.
All right. Number 6. All right. Okay. Look at here. It is not our final answer. The next time you have to be round off the answer up to 3 decimal places. You have to be round off your final answer up to 2 decimal. But obviously, it is not our final answer, so you have to be round off up to 3 decimal places. So yes, please add them. That will be equal to
49.6.
yeah. 24 plus 12, that is 36. 3.14, 10.46. Just a minute. Yes, what is the answer? 49 point.
Sir, 49.6.
6 centimeters. Yeah, that's correct. I just get it out. I thought it is the wrong answer. All right. Yes, I want it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Right now we have the next shape. The diagram shows a part of a fan OFG. OFG. B is this bigger sector. And OAD are the sectors with a radius of 18. B's whole length is going to be 18. And the sector angle is 40. It is 40. Obviously, it is going to be 40 as well. Okay. He says that B, C, H, and E lie on a circle center O and the radius 6. Calculate the shaded area. And I think the whole portion is going to be shaded, right? Yes, everyone, if you have to look at carefully, the whole portion is going to be shaded. So let's say we have to find the area of a sector first, the area of this sector. And obviously it is going to be exactly equal to this one. Okay? Means the area of this sector is exactly equal to this one. In the same way, if you are going to be take a look at this sector, yes, can anyone tell me what will be this angle? We have done the angle properties. Yes, what is this angle?
There it's 180 minus 40.
Yeah, that is going to be 140, and this is 140 as well. So, and these two sectors are going to be exactly same. So what we have to do, we have to find the area of a sector, multiply by 2, and the area of another sector, multiply by 2. That's what we have to do. So area, shaded area is equal to 2 times area of sector, the bigger one, OFG, plus, look at here, it is a smaller one, that is 2 times area of sector OBE. Yes, everyone, the statement is clear, because I'm pretty sure the area of this sector is equal to this one. So that's why I just take this area and multiply by 2. So this area is going to be left. So I will take the area of this portion. So obviously it is exactly equal to this one. So I have to multiply by 2. Yes, any question up to here?
No, sir.
All right. So 2 multiplied by area of a sector is going to be OFG, bigger one. So angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. Yes, what is the radius? Yes, what is the radius of the bigger sector? Yes, what is the radius of a bigger sector?
9.
How it will be 9?
18. Sorry.
18, yeah. It is going to be 18 because this is the whole circle, the bigger one, like this. So it is 18 square plus 2 times angle is going to be 140 divided by 360 into pi r square. Yes, Mustafa, what is the radius of a smaller sector?
6 centimeter.
That is going to be 6 square. Yes, please find the value.
Sir, 314.
314. Exactly 314?
Sir, no, sir, 314.2.
Okay, then we have to round off, so it is 314, and everything
Yes,
is in centimeter square. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
yes, sir.
Now we have the next question, and it is going to be a little bit easy. Yes, how we can do this one? You have to find the surface area of the table. So look at here, it is going to be a rectangle, and we have a quarter circle. So it is 0.8, obviously it is 0.8, means the radius of this circle is going to be 0.8. we have to find the total surface area. So surface area will be area of rectangle plus area of a quarter circle. Area of a rectangle is simply length multiplied by width. Area of a quarter circle is angle
Pi squared divided by 4. My bad.
360 into pi r square. And obviously, we know that it is quarter circle, so it is 90 divided by 360. So you can also write it directly as 1 by 4. Okay. Otherwise, you can use the same formula 90 divided by 360. All right, let's substitute the value. It is 0.8 multiplied by 1.4 plus 90 divided by 360 into pi r square, that is 0.8 square. Yes, what is the final answer?
Sir, 2 centimeter.
2,
Yes, sir. It's 1.62.
1.62. Okay, 1.62 meter square. Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So look at here, we
Yes.
have to do all these questions with the help of only these two formulas, area of a sector and arc length. Obviously, he is going to be just give you a different shape, so you have to recognize that how we can find a shaded area. Here, he's going to be give a bigger semicircle, smaller sector, we have to subtract it, circle. Here, we have to take a bigger sector and smaller sector, we have to subtract the area, we are going to get the required region. In the same way, we have to do the same thing here. It is going to be different. For example, if we have to find a area of a sector of a circle easily, obviously that is pi r square. So, but after that, this part is going to be difficult because we don't have any formula that we have to use here to find it. Instead, we have to take the whole area and subtract this smaller sector. Obviously, that's a bigger thing. So that's why I just utilize this one. Find the area of a bigger sector and the area of a smaller sector. That's it. The next one is going to be easier. So yes, any question up to here?
No, sir.
In the next class, we are just going to be discuss about the volume of 3D shapes. So